Yeah, hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. This is Byron for another home body weight workout. Today I'm going to do a back and shoulder workout using these two implements here, using the table and the two chairs. And I'm going to jump back and forth. Instead of finishing one exercise and going to the next one, I'm going to kind of jump back and forth during the exercise. So do one or two sets here, one or two sets here. Just keep jumping back and forth until I've kind of reached my points of failure, my necessary points of failure or whatever. So it's actually quite easy. I can, I start with one, I jump to the other one. There are three basic hand positions that you can use as you're doing the exercise. As I mentioned in many videos, you can do the wider than shoulder grip. You can do wider than shoulder, and also close. Close hand position, which is a little bit more difficult because you really have to be aware of balance as you're doing them. So the close in hand position here, and this is a higher angle, that's a lower angle, so let's just begin. Today I'm going to do the close hand position. You do have to be more careful when doing the close hand position because you have to be aware of your balance. It's very easy to fall over. I can fall into the, into the tray there with the knives or whatever. It's not good. Or anyway, just fall on the floor or something like that. Anything can happen when you lose your balance, okay? So anyway, I'm going to do a close hand position. So just look up at the ceiling, put your feet out as far as you can to pitch your body weight against you, and then just lift up. You want to kind of put yourself in the most disadvantageous position to pitch your body weight against you, which often is just the most uncomfortable position to add difficulty to the workout. So starts off quite easy, but this exercise gets difficult fast. Okay. So I'm going to do a couple here, and this is really one of the most effective back exercises. So, all right, just give us a quick breather, and go again. And look up at the ceiling because that puts your body in a different position. And do be aware of your balance. Okay, so just be aware of your balance as you're doing it. Okay, chairs together here. All right, wrap a little bit. Put my hands as close as I can. Actually, I'm just going to use one chair. Okay. This one is a little sturdier than that one for some reason. Okay, so again, hands out. Okay, this is a lower angle. Again, look up at the ceiling as you're doing. And the lower angle, after doing the high angle and jumping to the lower angle, it's quite difficult. Well, it just seems more difficult, I don't know, because there's more pressure on a different part of the muscle or something like that, a different part of the back muscle. And this does also work the shoulders to a certain degree. Alright, so just get a couple in there. Again, just jumping back and forth. Alright, and then just jump back to the next one. And no need to waste so much time. If you need a break in between, feel free to take one, but just don't waste too much time. The advantage of home body weight workouts is that you can do them quickly and easily, in your spare time. Get a nice workout. Okay. Whew. And it's very easy at first, like I said, and then it gets a little more difficult as you keep doing them. that's gets quite challenging after a while. After only a few sets, it's because of the position. I believe it's just because of the position of the, you know, having your hands behind your back and whatnot. It gets difficult quickly. Like at first it seemed really easy, and then it gets difficult really quickly. All right. A lower angle. And just resist on the way down. Give yourself some negative resistance on the way down. Yeah, you will feel this when you jump back and forth and you do the different angles. It really adds, really makes it, I don't know, just like orders of magnitude more difficult. Yeah, getting it's difficult fast. All right, so I'm just gonna do a quick muscle pump. Just kind of pump up the muscles a little bit. Flex for about 20-30 seconds. I usually do it just for about 20 seconds. Just adds a, you know, different level of, just pumps your muscles up a little bit and rips the muscles, basically. Oh, so that's a really nice workout. This is a great back and shoulder workout. The higher angle works the shoulders a little bit more. All right, so in the interest of continuing, I'll just flex this long. Okay, so and again, the next exercise. Okay. Whew. Very challenging. But with the back workouts, the back and shoulder workouts, you'll find that it doesn't last as long, you know. You go in chest exercises quite a bit longer. All right. Difficult. So, all right. So just a quick breather, let my muscles recoup just a little bit, and then back into it here. And hold on the way down. So, you know, as you start to reach your failure points and you can't really do too many more exercises, just, you know, hold on the way down, you know, get your isometrics in there. Try to resist the downward motion as much as possible since you can't, you know, do many of the exercises. And let's go through this one more time. And the close-in hand position is more difficult. So just say. All right. Yeah, so that's difficult quite quickly. So it's going to give it another quick flex. Show a little bit of the results there. And it gives you a nice little pump. I'm just going to pump for about 10 seconds, 10, 15 seconds or something. Should go about 20-30 seconds. Just give it a nice muscle pump, tear the muscles a little bit more. And then we'll do some isometrics. All right, so this should be good enough. And then, okay, so I can't do that many now. So I'm just going to hold as long as I can. Oh, God. Just to get that extra, just get that extra workout in there. Okay. And this one. Okay. All right. So that's a quick and easy back workout that only took me, less than 10 minutes. And you will notice that it fails quite quickly with the back and shoulder workout because, well, mainly because of the position of your hands is so awkward. It's not like a push-up or something like that where your hands are in front of you, which is a comfortable position. having your hands behind you. It's kind of like being arrested or something. But it's very effective for working out the back. Gives you a nice, tight, and defined back. Very, very simple and easy to do. They start out easy and then they get more difficult. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed that workout. If you have any questions or comments, feel free. I'm here for you, and answer any questions that you have about the workout, nutrition. If you have any suggestions or anything like that, I'd be more than happy to hear about them. So anyway, everyone, stay motivated to work out at home. It's really not that easy. It's not that hard. You can do it in your spare time, and just get an effective workout for free at home whenever you have a second to do it, whenever you feel motivated. But everyone, stay motivated to work out at home. It's so easy to do, and there's so much variation that you can work with, the angles and everything. But without, making a long speech, everyone, see you next time. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And everyone, stay strong out there. Bye-bye.